Welcome back to another episode of Teaching Math. In the previous episode, I told you what the locus is and how different notations create different figures. In this episode, I will explain how this all connects with the perpendicular bisector. Let's start the video. Last year, I already told you what the perpendicular bisector is. It's a perpendicular line precisely in the middle of a line segment. So, if I plot the points A and B, I first connect the 2 points, then I find the middle, and then I use my projector triangle to draw a perpendicular line. If you need more explanation, I would recommend watching this video from last year. Now, what does this have to do with the locus? Well, the perpendicular bisector is a special locus line, if you will. Because the perpendicular bisector is the locus of all points that are equidistant to A and B, meaning that every point I pick on the line is the same distance from A as from B. The notation for the perpendicular bisector is PA is PB, which literally means any point between A and B. So, this is a coordinate plane with 2 points, K and M. Let's color all points P, for which PK is PM and PO is less than 4. If you remember the steps from last time, before coloring, we need to draw any lines and circles. PK is PM is the notation for the perpendicular bisector. So first we draw that one. We connect the two, and then draw a perpendicular line through the middle. Then we take a look at PO is less than 4. In case you forgot, O stands for the origin in the coordinate plane. And PO is less than 4 means we need to draw a circle with a radius of 4. So let's do that right now. When finished, we can color the correct locus. PK is PM means on top of the perpendicular bisector. But PO is less than 4 means the interior of the circle, which means that this line is the locus we've been searching for. Now that we know how to incorporate the perpendicular bisector in our locus, let's take a look at the next part of the paragraph, the circumcircle. The circumcircle is a circle that goes through all 3 vertices of a triangle. To make the circumcircle, you need to find the perfect spot to place your compasses. Point that's precisely in between the vertices, a point that is on equidistant from all 3 vertices. And I just so happen to have taught you what you need to draw from finding points that are on equidistant from 2 vertices, the perpendicular bisector. So, make a random triangle and call it ABC. Then, draw the 3 perpendicular bisectors of your triangle. If done correctly, all perpendicular bisectors should perfectly intersect in one point. If they don't, and you happen to have a small white spot in between the bisectors, then chances are you messed up a little bit. Either you haven't used the middle of a side, or you haven't really drawn perpendicular. Where the 3 lines intersect, that is your midpoint. So place the middle point of your compasses there, and with the pencil point on one of the vertices. Then draw your circle. And again, if done correctly, your circle should go through all 3 corners of your triangle. And that's how you draw the circumcircle of a triangle. My advice, make another random triangle and find the circumcircle for that one as well. Practice makes perfect. In the next episode, I will teach you the last locus related line and what the incircle is. Go practice your skills, and I hope to see you then. Bye bye!